Hi, I'm Pablo Rodriguez, Director of Artistry for ILLAMASQUA. With the skin kit, you can create any coverage and finish you want for all skin shades. It is crucial that you have a great selection of foundations that can be built up in layers or sheared down by pre-mixing it with Satin Primer. Hydra Veil is a great hydrating base. It can be used as a face mask, moisturizer or primer. It's all about having multi-purpose products like this in your kit. The 6 colors of skin-based foundations that have been chosen can be mixed to make any bespoke shade that you need. Skin-based lip concealers are great for easy application and blending. You can shear it down and adapt the color if you mix it with skin-based foundation for a natural look or apply directly on the skin for extra coverage. The OMG Beyond powder can work as a precise highlighter or give an overall natural glow depending on where and how much you use on the skin. Being strategic with the application can make this product very versatile. A great canvas helps all other products. Once you get the skin right, every other element of the look will fall into place.